One of the coolest things about motorcycles is customizing them to make them ours. And not everybody has the ability to do a lot of fancy airbrush work and paint stuff, but vinyl graphics is a pretty cheap, easy way to give something a custom look. It's a 19 RSV4 RF Factory, and you can see I already took all the nonsense safety stickers off of it. These, you'd actually have to sand it, it looks like, versus just peeling off like some of the others, so you want to be careful before you start picking at stuff. The best way to get these stickers off that I've found is to use a heat gun to soften the adhesive first. Just put a little heat on it, not too much, and then just start picking at a corner with your fingernails. Try to get it in a nice smooth line across to where you can kind of pull it all up as one piece. And then I use a little bit of acetone to wash all the adhesive off, and then some kind of a good cleaner afterwards, just to make sure the surface is clean. You can see now with all the stickers off, that residue is still hanging out there. That's why you got to use the acetone to get rid of that. Got to scrub a little bit, but it definitely gets the residue off. All right, I got a clean slate. I got those off the tank. I left those because that's a little bit more integrated. I've got those side ones off. That one I'd have to sand off. Bottom one's off. The exhaust, the swing arm, and all the same ones on this side. All right, what I've done is I took a piece of frisk paper and put it on the bike, and then kind of traced out the body lines. You can kind of see how that shape is there, so I know that that flat surface right along there is where I want to put the lines. It's not exact, but it's a pretty close match for what I had available on the green. White and red are pretty straightforward, of course. You can see here that I layered the three colors all together and then took a straight edge and a razor and cut the basic shape for the template I kind of wanted. And I razored out a little axe shape just to kind of show through the stripe and break it up. I put the frisk down as a reference and laid the middle stripe of white, and then I can use that for a reference doing the red and the green. And then using this again to show the back shadow of the axe. And there's the first side done. Now I just got to do it on the other side. And there's the other side to match.